Hello again from Relation Productions. Today I have another long awaited update on my CNC Mill project, and for once I have a bit of good news in getting this thing to run. I've got the problem with the servo motors sorted out. It appears to have been something, a combination of having the motor wires backwards and also needing to adjust some settings on the servo drives for velocity and various things which I can't tell you offhand. But yeah, I've been messing around with this a little bit, and I've gotten the servo motors to run very nice and smooth, and I don't know if they're tuned to their optimal performance yet. I still would like to get an oscilloscope to ensure that they are set to peak performance, and there's still quite a few more things for me to learn and adjust on this machine, but I'll show you what I have so far. At the moment, you can see I got Mach 3 all loaded up on my computer here, and I have a circle. I went to one of the wizards right up here which plotted it out in G code for me, and I'll run that in just a minute, but first I'm going to show you just a jog mode of the axis here, and you can see this. I'm very happy that it's actually running. We got the x-axis. That was the first one I got going, and as you can see, I mean, that's what to be expected. But I've been struggling with this for so long. It's a very beautiful thing to see for me. There's the Y, and here's the Z, which actually I had to modify because I believe I might have wrecked one of the drives in the process of figuring out this problem. But I still do have 3 functioning drives, minus a drive for a auxiliary axis, which may have troubles or may not. Get that replaced later. But anyways, I've got this program all loaded, and I'll show it to you right now. Basically, it's set up for cutting a big circle, and hopefully this goes well. We go to cycle start, and you can see the Z-axis is starting to get into position there. There's a number of different things to be adjusted on different points where it engages. And now you can see both the Y and the Z axis are now working together to form a circle, or what would be a circle. I suppose the next step I'll take is to get a block of wood or other soft material up there for a test cut to see how it runs, how it holds dimensions, and exactly what kind of part it's forming. This is all very much just a crash course for me, just pushing buttons and such and seeing what happens. And as it goes through the motions, you can see the tool path on the screen there. When that little purple crosshairs there, when that reaches that red line, that's set up for another depth increase in the Z-axis. And we're coming up close to that, and there she goes down for a little more depth on the cut. I believe I set this up for a 1/4 inch depth cut. I have no idea what's actually doing or would be doing if it had something in there and was running the motor too. But for now, as long as it's not crashing into any limits, not doing anything erratic, I'm quite pleased to see it functioning just like a CNC machine should be. You can see the lines of code it's going through there. Looks like we're reaching the end of the program. I think it's set to come up and then down again for the final cut. Yeah, it comes up by an inch and it comes back down, increasing by 0.01, I believe. To 1/4 inch there. And we go around. Actually, it seems to be going around backwards this time. If this is a final cut, it's probably feeding the tool with the whatever I have it set for the direction of the bit. And I think this should be our final spot here. We'll watch the code, return, and all the way back up to reset. Well, that's not a whole lot, but I'm very pleased with the progress that I've made with this so far. It's gone very slow, but definitely getting somewhere now. That's it for now. If you have any questions, which really I'm no expert at this, in case you can't tell, feel free to ask or give suggestions or whatever you like below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.